Hello everyone, I am Sravanti from SOIS. Today I am going to talk about how to validate traffic lights in SAP with Worksoft Certify. Today's agenda: what are traffic lights in SAP, uses of traffic lights in SAP, some examples, followed by demo how to validate traffic lights in SAP with Worksoft Certify. What are traffic lights in SAP? In SAP, traffic lights are visual indicators used to represent the status of different objects, transactions or processes. These indicators are commonly found in reports, work lists and dashboards to provide a quick intuitive understanding of a situation. In SAP, there are three colors of traffic lights available. Green color represents everything is okay, the condition is met or no action is needed. Yellow represents warning, attention is required but not critical. Red represents issue or error, action is needed to resolve the problem. So often validation of traffic lights in SAP becomes crucial. Uses of traffic lights in SAP. Traffic lights are used in sales and distribution, material master and procurement, SAP BW, business warehouse, workflow and approvals, financial reports and many others. This is an example of WE02 T code in SAP where you can see the traffic lights for the IDOC numbers. This is another example where you can see the traffic light for ALV reports. Now let's see these in SAP. In SAP, I will first go to T code SU24. I will give transaction code as AMI28 and execute. Here you can see the maintenance status of authorization object column shows the traffic lights, and if I hover on the traffic lights, the tooltips are visible. So here you can use the tooltip property to validate these traffic lights. But what if we do not have the traffic lights? So let's see another example. Let me go to T code AC16N and type here table name as icon and execute. Here you can see the IT column shows the green, yellow and red traffic lights. And if I hover over these traffic lights, tooltip is not available. So in this case, how to validate? So if I copy the green color, it shows text as @08 @. If I copy the yellow color, it shows @09 @. And if I copy the red color, it shows text as @0A @. So if you are unable to directly copy the text, then you can always use SAP Learn to see the property, and you can also use the store action in Certify to store the SAP icon codes and see in the text variable. So in order to cross check these SAP icon codes, you can refer the GitHub where all the SAP icon code list is available. So now let's consider that we need to validate this traffic light in this table where no tooltip is available. So for this, first I will find the column icon name with this value and then I will validate this green color. Similarly, I will do for yellow and red color. So for this, I have created a process in Certify. So since this is SAP Grid, so here I am using the find row action and providing the required value, and then in order to show you, I have added another step, store cell, to show you what value it is storing in the text variable. Also I am validating that it is green color by using the SAP icon code @08 @. Similarly, I will do for yellow and red traffic light as well. So let's execute this. Let me run. Here you can see it is finding the green color and validating the same. Similarly, finding the yellow color and validating, and also it is doing for the red traffic light and validating the same. So like this we can validate the traffic lights in SAP with Worksoft Certify where we do not see the tooltip. Thank you for watching. Please mail your query at contactus@sois.com. Join our LinkedIn group Worksoft Expert Community. Do visit our blog at https://sois.com/category/blog/.